What's up, guys? Thanks for joining another episode of Cars, Bikes, and Coffee, where we like to save and restore cars. I am Kurt, and sometimes we do product reviews. And today we're taking a look at the Teslong NTS500 endoscope camera. Now, you may have seen this endoscope on other YouTubers, Sam Crack, Alex at Legit Street Cars, and what makes this endoscope different is that it's all in one. You don't need your phone, you don't need a computer, you can use everything right in this product. Now, a couple of stats. We are looking at a 5-inch IPS display, which is 854 by 480 pixels, dual 5mm dual cameras. The model that we're looking at has the 5-meter or 16.5-foot long cable. The battery is 3,500 milliamp hours. Charging is done through the USB-C charging cable. Camera and cable is IP67 waterproof, so you can use it in water, in plumbing, in any type of liquid, and the monitor is rain-proof. And it comes with a 32 gigabyte MicroSD card. Both the cameras are 1 megapixel, and the front camera has 6 high-intensity LEDs. The side camera has 1. All right, so we're at the 300ZX, and I want to take a look at the cylinder head with the endoscope. So we're just going to turn it on. And we're just going to record. We can take a look at the cylinder, which is looking good. And then if we press the button on the cable, we can take a look at the valve. We can take a look at the cylinder honing and see that crosshatch. All right, so now that we have finished the one cylinder and reviewed it, we can go through the other 5 in this engine and check and see how they are doing. And that's one of the great things about having the endoscope. You don't have to tear apart the engine to see if it's a worthy candidate for restoration. So other things we can do is go into throttle bodies. We can look at the turbos and see, at least on either side, you might have to drop the exhaust or remove the intake housing. But this is so versatile. You can bend the cable and you can see it still works. So highly recommend having this in the toolbox. You don't have to use your phone or a computer. It's all in one. It takes great photos and video that you can review with your audio notes using the microphone, and as well having that flashlight comes in handy at night. So if you want to see where you are or what you're doing, you can do that. All right, so that's the Teslong NTS500 endoscope camera, which is something that you definitely need in your toolbox. So that product link is down below in the description. So if you guys could do me a favor, if you felt that this review was helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Follow us on Instagram to get our updates on all of our restorations. And don't forget to check out all of our other videos. So until then, you have a good one.